I was a bit lost. I had a tumor in my early 20s that required extensive surgery, and that left me possibly not being able to have children from the radiation. We were able to have a child, and then 3 years after she was born, she passed away from nephrotic syndrome. And I just thought, really, enough is enough. I felt like you've paid your dues, you've gone through these 2 horrible things, so you don't have to go through any more pain. It's just gonna be rainbows and daisies. It's not. And I was so mad. I have just gone through the worst thing I can possibly imagine. Watching my daughter take her last breath in my home while I'm getting ready to make her lunch. I mean, what more are you asking me for? So there was a lot of anger inside, a lot of impatience. I wanted it to happen now. I wanted the good feelings to come now. I went on a road trip by myself for about a week, went to visit a girlfriend in Alabama. And on that drive, on my way to her house, I basically binged the Life Coach School podcast. I just listened to it and I would replay it and go, oh my gosh, what is this woman talking about? What is this circumstances, thoughts, feelings thing that she's talking about? So it really just resonated with me, and I thought, this is something for me. This is something I can grab onto. I knew that I had to take charge because nobody else was doing it for me. You know, it wasn't my husband's responsibility. It wasn't my job's responsibility. It's not my mother's responsibility or my father's. I was the only one that was going to be able to get myself to a place that was better than that. If I had to talk to myself, my pre-self-coaching scholars self, I would have said in May of 2017, what are you waiting for? You know, Shannon, just do this. This is the right step for you. Because I felt it all along. I would say if you are thinking about being a self-coaching scholar, which is an honor to be, I would really dig deep and think about what you're waiting for. Because I thought I could wait. And once I got in there and got going, it was like a rocket.